You've been doing everything right and still feel like your metabolism is stuck? The truth is, many women live in a frustrating cycle, eating less, working hard, and still seeing little or no results. But what if the problem isn't how much you eat, but what you eat? In this video, you'll discover the foods that naturally and strategically boost your metabolism. No crazy diets, no extreme restrictions. We're talking about simple, accessible, scientifically backed choices that respect the female body and actually work. If you want to lose weight intelligently, feel more energized daily, and finally understand how your body can work for you, watch until the end. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because here you learn to lose weight truthfully, without suffering, and with lasting results. Natural thermogenics and how to use them. Did you know some foods can turn your body into a natural fat-burning furnace? These are natural thermogenics, and they can be powerful allies in your weight loss journey. The bad news? Many people consume them the wrong way and see no results. The good news? With a few simple adjustments, you can boost your metabolism every day. Cayenne pepper, ginger, green tea, and Ceylon cinnamon are strong examples. They increase your body's internal temperature, which makes you burn more calories even at rest. Including these foods in meals, especially at breakfast and lunch, helps keep your metabolism active throughout the day. And all of this happens naturally, without pills or stimulants. The secret is consistency. Drinking green tea one day and forgetting it the next won't deliver results. But if you build the habit, the effects will start to show. Even better, they not only speed up your metabolism, but also help with digestion, appetite control, and even mood. Your body doesn't need punishment, it needs strategy. Food combinations that boost fat burning. Have you ever heard the phrase, alone you go fast, but together you go far? That applies to food too. Certain combinations can activate your metabolism more effectively than eating ingredients in isolation. The problem is that many women only focus on calories and forget the science behind smart food pairing. A great example is combining protein with healthy fats. Scrambled eggs with avocado in the morning can keep you full for hours and still boost fat burning. Another powerful tip is mixing turmeric with black pepper and olive oil. This combo enhances the absorption of curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory that supports metabolism. And that's not all. Fruits with seeds, like papaya with chia, are also a winning duo. The secret is realizing that eating healthy isn't enough. You need to eat strategically. When you learn how to combine the right foods, your body responds with more energy, less hunger, and a more active metabolism. It's not about eating less, it's about eating smarter, with feminine and nutritional intelligence. Foods that help regulate hormones. Your body doesn't burn fat by accident. It follows hormonal commands. And if those hormones are out of balance, no diet plan will work properly. Many women are stuck in diets that overlook this crucial factor. The truth is, certain foods can naturally balance your hormones. No medication, no suffering. Foods rich in omega-3s like flax seeds and wild salmon help regulate estrogen, a key hormone for fat burning. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower support hormonal detox, while maca root helps modulate progesterone. And avocado? It not only satisfies hunger, but also provides healthy fats that stabilize cortisol levels. The stress hormone. When your hormones are balanced, your body cooperates, not resists. And that changes everything. More energy, less bloating, less cravings. Hormonal balance doesn't start in a doctor's office. It starts on your plate, every single day. The importance of fiber for satiety. If you feel hungry all the time, even after eating, the problem may not be how much you eat, but what's missing from your plate. Dietary fiber is like a silent ally that tells your brain, we're full. And the most interesting part? It does this without adding excess calories. When you eat fiber-rich foods, like oats, chia seeds, beans, raw veggies, and fruits with skin, your digestion slows down. This extends satiety and prevents blood sugar spikes, which are directly linked to intense hunger and belly fat storage. On top of that, fiber feeds your gut's good bacteria, strengthening your health and reducing inflammation. True satiety doesn't come from overeating, but from feeding your body with intelligence. Adding fiber to every meal is a simple step that transforms your relationship with food. Because losing weight without starving isn't a myth, it's a matter of strategy and smart choices. Cooking tips to preserve nutrients. You might be choosing healthy foods, but are you preparing them the right way? Many people lose essential nutrients during cooking without even realizing it. The way you cut, cook, and store your food can turn a nutritious meal into something nearly empty. Overcooking vegetables, for example, destroys vitamins like C and the B complex. Heating oils at high temperatures can oxidize their healthy fats, like those in olive oil. That's why you should prefer steaming over boiling and opt for grilling or baking at low temperatures. And don't forget, natural seasonings like raw garlic and fresh herbs keep their antioxidant power when added at the end of cooking. Nourishing your body isn't just about what you eat, but how you prepare it. Small changes in the kitchen can make a huge impact on your metabolism, energy levels, and hormonal health. Your stove can be your ally, or your biggest saboteur. The choice is yours. Your metabolism isn't your enemy. It's simply waiting for the right signals to get back on track. Every food you choose, every combination on your plate, sends a message your body understands. And when that message is clear, it responds with more energy, less hunger, and natural fat burning. It's not about eating less. It's about eating better. About realizing you don't have to live in a battle with the mirror or suffer to lose weight. True transformation starts with small, daily choices, and real change happens when you act with awareness, not guilt. If this video made sense to you, like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who also deserves to break free from the weight loss myths. Your body is intelligent, your journey can be lighter, and you don't have to go through it alone.